The key fob not detected error in 2019 Ram trucks, including 1500, 2500, and 3500 models, stems from the radio frequency hub module that handles wireless communication with the key fob. Common symptoms include the truck failing to start, inability to lock or unlock doors remotely, and the system not recognizing the key fob at all. Primary causes are depleted key fob batteries or faults in the RF hub itself, such as moisture ingress, electrical surges, or capacitor failures. The RF hub uses radio frequency at 3 or 14 MHz to authenticate the fob. If the CR232 battery voltage drops below 2.5 volts, the signal becomes too weak for detection. To prevent issues, avoid exposing the fob to water, extreme temperatures, or strong magnets, which can prolong battery life and protect the RF hub. Start by replacing the key fob's CR2032 battery with correct orientation. If that doesn't work, attempt an RF hub reset by cycling the vehicle's ignition or using an OBD2 scanner to clear error codes like U0140. If the problem persists, a key relearn procedure may be necessary at the dealership. Enter programming mode via the ignition, press fob buttons, and confirm via the dashboard. Stellantis released over-the-air firmware patches in mid-2024 for select 2019 Ram models with Uconnect systems. These recalibrate the RF hub to handle electromagnetic interference and battery fluctuations, with 70% of owners reporting resolution by September 2025. Also, check if your vehicle is covered under NHTSA Recall 21V123 for free RF hub replacement.